Hello guys! Today is Friday. Last Friday of June 2026. And of course, as your project development officer, meron tayong program next week. And this is related to the incident sa Tacloban National High School. Tama ba? So, in line with that, magkakaroon tayo ng child safety intervention and school security measures. So, this activity is requested ng Philippine National Police dito sa aming municipality. And of course, syempre as your PDO, ayan, so tayo ang gagawa nito. Ayan nga, at tapos na siya. Tapos ko na magawa yung program. So, isa to sa sample ng mga ginagawa ng PDO kapag meron tayong activity. Ayan, kasi talaga more on activity tayo. Activity, programs, and projects. Participants of this activity are the school heads, the guidance counselors or coordinators, the values education teachers of junior high school and senior high school, and of course the security personnel or the security guards. So i-orient sila ng PNP kung ano yung magiging bagong security measure during this time. Yun lang. Bye.